Hello, this is Khaled, 𝗚𝗏𝗋 Beauty National Makeup Artist. In this video, I'm going to show you a natural glow makeup look for Ramadan. Enjoy! To enhance the skin texture and prime the skin, I will start using 𝗚𝗏𝗋𝗿 Blur Primer. I will start from the middle of the face and blending outwards. Then I will use 𝗚𝗏𝗋𝗿𝗀 foundation that will give me like healthy glow finish and moisturizing for 24 hours. I will start from the middle of the face because usually all the imperfection on the T-zone. Then I will blend it out. Just tapping a bit to give me a bit of coverage. Like I really need to have a medium cover for whole the face. I don't want something like cakey. I just want something like breathable. So as you see, still the different, I can see the different, but still I can see her skin with the foundation. So it's not cakey, and this is what it will help my look. And I will blend a bit the edges so that will match her skin tone as well. To remove the imperfection and the shadow around the eyes, I will use 𝗚𝗏𝗋𝗿 High Coverage on the inner of the eyes, on this corner, and the outwards as well. I really like this product. It's give me like radiance under the eyes, and it's give me like very light way as a product. So I can see the different, but it's not cakey at all. Because of Ramadan, we not drink a lot of water, so I really like to have touch of radiance on the face. So I will use 𝗚𝗏𝗋𝗿 Radiance Touch number 2 on the cheekbone, on the inner of the eye again, just to have more light, middle of the nose, and on the cupid. I really like to blend by my finger because it's very lightweight, so it will blend well with the skin. I will use it also under the brow, so will highlight the brow bone as well. Again on the inner of the eye, and I will blend it this time with the brush. Just tap. Touch of the loose powder under the eyes. So I will use number 2 just to fix for me the high coverage 𝗚𝗏𝗋𝗿. Just a bit, not too much. I will contour the face by using the Saharienne Bronzer number 3. It will give me like very nice sun-kissed look. And I will blend it on the circle motion. Just a bit, blend it well, going to the roots, so will be blend very well and look very natural. A bit again to the forehead, side of the nose, I will use it under the jawline just a bit to give me like more sharp. To add more healthy glow on the skin, on the face, I will use Couture Blush number 3. A bit coral, it will match her skin and it will look like very nice with the bronze. So just a bit. As you see, it's direct, give me the color, that's what I need. And just blend it well. To contour the eyes, I will use the same bronzer, La Saharienne number 3, on the crease. Look straight. Then I will clean my brush a bit and look straight, thank you. Then I will blend it outwards. So we will blend to the outwards on very smooth way. Just I have nothing on my brush, just we blending the color. To define the crease, apply Velvet Crush 33 on the crease, just a bit. Then just blend on the same place. To lift your eyebrow for 24 hours, I will use 𝗚𝗹𝗹𝗀 mascara number 2. It's a bit ashy, it will be match her skin tone and her hair as well. To open the eye more and more strong lashes, Lash Clash. That will help me to give more volume to 100% and iris flower inside. That will give me more and more stronger lashes. To open your eyes more, use on the lower lashes as well. So it will help to define more your eye shape. For an instant glow and long lasting, Volupté Tinting Balm number 3, I will tap it on the lips very gently. To recreate the makeup look, hit Yves Saint Laurent counter in Galeries Lafayette, Dubai Mall.